Hi, my name is Arthur. This video is for those who want to learn how to cook. Of course, you might not become a master chef, but if you would like to become more self-reliant or independent when it comes to preparing meals for yourself, then this video series is exactly for you. Let's start with the simplest, an egg dish. What can you make from ordinary eggs? Well, the first and simplest is fried eggs. And someone might say, why film how to cook fried eggs? Everyone already knows. But that's not quite true, because no one is born knowing how to fry eggs. Everyone has to do it for the first time at some point. So, for anyone who has never done this, maybe this video will be useful. Besides, in future videos, we will learn how to cook more sophisticated dishes from eggs than simple fried eggs. So, what will we need for fried eggs with sausage? It's a couple of eggs, a couple slices of sausage, a pan, oil, and salt. Let's put the pan on the heat. Some people crack eggs directly onto a cold pan, but then the egg white turns out like jelly. I don't like it that way, so I recommend cracking eggs onto a well-heated pan. So we add a little bit of oil. Let it spread across the pan. Though this is, of course, a ceramic pan, you can fry without oil, but I like adding oil for flavor anyway. The pan has heated up. Now we crack the eggs. If you hear the eggs sizzling, it means the pan is heated up well. Now we see such a thickening of the egg white. We carefully tear it like this, so the eggs cook better, while not touching the yolk, so it stays whole. Let's add a little salt. And place the sausage. A few minutes and the fried eggs are ready. Then you can flip the sausage over once it has finished browning on one side. If you don't want any raw egg white left on the eggs, on the yolks, then you can cover it with a lid for a minute at the final stage. Then the eggs will steam a bit on top, and the raw white is gone. Make sure not to do this for too long, because you will end up with a boiled egg effect if you happen to miss the right timing. You can turn off the heat. And there you have it. The dish is ready. Enjoy your meal. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a dislike. Subscribe to the channel. Much more interesting stuff ahead. Thanks.